Some say, I don't want to sue anyone because I'm a Christian. Well, doesn't the word says it's a sin to be poor? The word encourages us to be the head and not the tail. And so even Yahweh himself has a government. He has laws written for you and I to follow. When we choose not to do that, we go against the word. The same way here on earth, when lenders, the CRA, mess up our credit by putting negatives on the account, by putting certain things on our report that keep us from living the dream we desire to live, such as having a good job to pay our tithe, having the opportunity to buy a nice car, living in a nice home, nice neighborhood. Guess what? This is your opportunity to then be paid for having bad credit. Call us 844-372-7337 or email us at support@erasedfinancialservices.org.